Hey, what's going on everyone? Moose here, and today we are going to talk about the latest release from OSIGHT. This is the SE. We're going to talk about it coming up next. Alright guys, so OSIGHT has come out with this new enclosed emitter sight. This comes in RMSc, and there's a couple of really cool features I like about it. Today I do have it on my Recover pistol brace. Unfortunately, I have not been able to get some actual footage of this being shot. However, I do have a lot of experience with OSIGHT. I did take it out. I did shoot it for testing purposes. But unfortunately, when I got there, my GoPro, as some of you guys have maybe ran into this with your own GoPros, decided to turn itself on while I was on my way to the range to shoot. And when I got there, lo and behold, dead battery. I wasn't planning on using more than one battery. My bad for not being prepared, but I can tell you that it did incredibly well, and it was ran on this Recover pistol brace. So couple of different features about this, a couple that I really enjoy. Number one, it comes with your standard OSIGHT stuff, right? They're going to give you all of the screws that more than likely you're going to need. As a matter of fact, I have yet to have an OSIGHT come without the required screws that I need for mounting it just about anywhere. I did reach out to them, and they did send me the RMSc to RMR plate adapter, just because I don't currently own a RMS or RMRS pistol. So thanks to them for sending that along with it. But a couple of cool features. Number one, this is a very small footprint. I mean, just look how small this little thing is, right? I mean, nice and small, perfectly sized, super lightweight, great for everyday carry, EDC for sure. One of the biggest things that I enjoyed about it was the side battery case right here, right? So right here on the side, you can see that there's a little tray. It's even screwed in. Comes with the OSIGHT tool, which is beautiful. I actually carry one on my keychain. Simply unscrew it, slide it out, put your battery in, you're all set. Brightness on this is amazing. But one of the other cool features is either circle dot or dot, right? I'm not going to go into all the technical stuff. I think it's like 35 MOA circle dot. And I think it's probably right here. 2 MOA. Yep, I was right. So 2 MOA dot or circle dot. I actually run circle dot. I do it because I have astigmatism. So when I run circle dots, it's easier for me to quickly acquire exactly what I'm doing. Also, I want to get this out there because YouTube's been kind of hard on me lately. This is just a piece of plastic. There is no firearm in this whatsoever. This, I mean, it doesn't do anything. It's just is kind of what it is. But anyway, back to the show. So I did take this out. I ran about 100 rounds through it. We did a drop test, and I don't even think the camera's going to pick it up, but I dropped this a few times. Right here on the very little corner, there's a little bit of, I don't know, shiny, or yeah, I guess it's a little shiny. It was in the dirt. Just simply drop. Held zero perfectly. It does have the co-witness marks as well in the back here, so it did line up with my front sights. or I should say it would line up with my front sights. Being on this, obviously I don't see my front sights the same way, as this is an elevated platform. But overall, quick acquisition. I enjoy it. The only thing I wish this one had that my other ones do have is the ability to recharge it. However, I get it. You know, 6 of one, half dozen of another. You get your, you get what you get, right? So obviously, I can't put links down below. That's what I got popped for. So my apologies to OSIGHT and OLight. I just got a massive warning and had to fight for it not to be a strike because I linked a website of where you could pick up yeah, so I do apologize, but if you go out and you just happen to, you know, be, you know, doing stuff with you and you look up the OSIGHT SE, for example, I mean, maybe you do, maybe you don't, I don't know. I mean, I'm not telling you anything other than this is the name of the product. It's the OSIGHT SE. I'm pretty sure if you just kind of use your imagination, you can probably locate to where you can get one. And definitely I would say do that. But overall, it does have the shake awake. I know that's not technically what it's called, but that is what it does. So it will go to sleep. It will wake back up. Yeah, I've been pretty happy. The glass, I would say, is, I mean, it's clear. I mean, it's really clear. I haven't had an opportunity to shoot it out in any kind of weather yet. It is going to live its life on this. I love this pistol brace. It's great for just training without the firearm in it. Okay. No, it's cool. I do like it. And as a matter of fact, I think what I'm even going to do is, I've got this light on here. I don't even know where I got that. I've had it for a minute. But either way, I'm going to actually put one of my OLight lights on it. And then this travels a lot, if you catch my drift. So this is going to, I'm so impressed with the build quality. I love the fact that it's a closed emitter. I love the fact that it's lightweight. I love the fact that it's easy acquisition for me to get a good sight picture on. Like I said, I do run it in circle dot, so I am running the 35 MOA. The adjustments on it are great. The tool that comes with it is perfect. Obviously, all the screws even come with a little bit of Loctite on them. So it's kind of like that blue gummy stuff that when you torque it in, it just kind of helps seal it. So, like I said, haven't had any issues. The buttons are easy to get to. But also, you know, and this is one thing that I think a lot of people overlook, is you have side buttons. I've actually had some sights where the side buttons either A, don't function real well, or B, they stick out so far that they're easily bumped, right? Whether it's on my side and they're just, you know, I mean, I'm a big guy, so when I sit down, man, you know, I can easily move body parts up against these buttons, and if they're not good quality buttons, it will turn your light either off, or it will turn it super dim, or it'll turn it super bright, and that's not what we want, right? We want the same consistency every single time in our brightness. So huge shout out to OSIGHT. These guys are great, they really are. And I can tell you that I remember when I first got into the whole OLight thing, and I thought, great, here's another company that's just trying to make their name and blah blah blah. And I can tell you right now, hand to God, that OLight is my EDC. OSIGHT is, I would say, my part-time EDC, but on this full-time EDC, this is These guys are great. As a matter of fact, I even took one of their other red dots that I got a while back, and it's actually mounted to my bolt gun for quick target acquisition. So, I mean, granted, I have another optic on there as well, but just to be able to look out in the distance, go, oh, okay, there I am, and now go to my optic. So, if you guys follow along on my channel, you've seen it. That is an OSIGHT. So, you know, huge shout out to these guys for, number one, keeping prices friendly, and still supplying very good quality. I have yet to have an OLight or an OSIGHT fail for any reason other than my my titanium flashlight that they sent me that was a limited edition that I was showing off, and literally was throwing it at the concrete as hard as I could, and it survived 4 of them, and on the 5th one it finally gave up the ghost. So I mean, that's super extreme. I mean, that's more extreme than anything else, and I can tell you that with the sights, I've thought the same. And you know what, and I'll tell you, we might even do an extreme test on an OSIGHT as well. Let me think about that for a minute, because I honestly think that these things will hold up well as well. You know, let's make a few things very clear. This is excuse me, this is still aluminum housing. It can easily be damaged. You know, scratches and scrapes and, you know, stuff like that. Could I dent it? Sure. I mean, if I grab this and smack it down on a very hard surface, yeah, it's probably going to break some glass. It's definitely going to bend the aluminum. But overall, I want to see, you know, can we really torture this thing? And, you know, maybe we'll even do it with this one. Maybe we'll do like a freeze test, and we'll do like a water test, and, you know, maybe we'll throw it in a pond. I got a buddy with a pond. I'd be willing to bet that I could chuck this into his pond and let it sit in 2-3 feet of water for, I don't know, I better check the waterproof rating. I know it's got one. That's a good idea. But either way, definitely cool. Definitely a great option from OSIGHT. Definitely check those guys out. They are amazing people to work with. Their customer service is great. Even when they sent me the titanium flashlight that I spiked off the ground, they sent it to me. They gave it to me. I called them up with my tail between my legs, and I said, man, I am super bummed that I lost that flashlight. Can you guys do anything for me? And you know what? They sent me another one. Not a titanium. That was my bad. But they did replace the flashlight with another Warrior. And, man, I couldn't be more grateful. So, even customer service with somebody who didn't even buy it to begin with, I would say that that's pretty good. And it was quick. It wasn't like I had to wait 3 weeks or it fell on deaf ears. And I went through the actual warranty part, right? I didn't call my contact at OLight and go, man, I broke it during testing. Can I get another one? Nope, that's not how I did it. I just said, hey, man, you know, I got a little rough and, you know, dropped it. I might have used the word dropped, and they said, no problem. We'll send you over. Actually, they did ask some questions. I think they asked for me to send them pictures of it. Send them pictures of the dial just to see if like anything was lighting up, because it wouldn't. And they asked me a few other basic questions. Took a few photos. Gave them all the information they wanted. And by the end of the day, I had another shipping notice. So huge shout out to those guys, because that kind of customer service, that usually comes at an extreme premium. But not with OLight and OSIGHT. So don't be afraid to check them out. And if you would, do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Go find yourself an OSIGHT SE. And we'll talk soon. Till next time. Be good to each other.